you to McCoy's Building Supply for donating all the protective headgear and vests. Justin Booth for donating the prizes. This is the unseen heroes. This is our Mutton Busters. Champion Mutton Buster wins, that's right. Winning the Mutton Buster, John Paul Morales with a 77 points so far. Alright, came back. Another San Antonio cowboy. He's 7 years old. All the protective headgear and vests. Justin Booth for donating the awards.
Now let's send all of our little heroes out with a big warm South Texas round of applause. Thank you, Mutton Busters.